Hello everyone, and welcome to what I learned about cloud computing. So what I learned, there are three main things that I learned. One is that there are a lot of different softwares that you can use that allow for collaboration via the web. Two, there are many benefits to cloud computing for collaboration, and cloud computing is being used all over the world, all over the US, and in many different ways. So the different softwares. So these are just a few of the ones that I focused on and kind of paid attention to and that I have access to already. So the Adobe Creative Cloud, which I'll be getting next year, and I'm very excited about. And excited to learn more about Microsoft Office, which we already have. Google Suite, which everyone should be familiar with and is probably my favorite. And then Morpholio, which I'm hoping is going to be what I will use for kids to create portfolios for research for my graphic design class. So the benefits. How's it going to help? So cloud computing is cost effective, especially Google Morpholio, because they're free. They're easy to access. They're all through the browser. It's easy to share, especially Google allows for a lot of this, obviously. Morpholio is the same. Eliminates paper and textbooks and allows for easy collaboration. Who's using it and how? So one of the articles I looked at had a list of a lot of different schools that were using different softwares around the US. So for instance, Mountain View, California, there's a school there using Google Suite. In Redmond, Washington, which I got a chuckle out of, they're using Microsoft Office. Seems kind of obvious. In Hadley, Massachusetts, they're using a program called Knowledge Matters, which is, is something to use for business simulations. In Washington, they're using Blackboard, which we're familiar with. In Seattle, ClassFlow, which is similar. So the takeaway. So what I learned. So there are many different softwares out there, and choosing the right one is important. For me, the more access my students have, the better. Especially if they can access from home, do things away from my room, because there's not a whole lot of options we have currently, and I'm trying to work on making that a little bit better. And for this reason, the two that I'm really looking forward to and I'm a fan of are Google and Morpholio. However, Adobe Creative Cloud I think is going to be, I can't eliminate that with his graphic design class, so moving to the cloud I think is going to be huge. Cloud computing is quickly becoming a staple in classrooms across the US, and it takes many forms. That's the second thing that I learned.